How do you fancy learning how to paint a ladybird in watercolour? Now, I'm going to show you quite a variety of techniques with this. There's actually more to it than what meets the eye, because there's techniques such as scumbling, stippling, dry brush, lifting off, even using watercolour white, as well as wetting wet and other techniques I'm going to show you at the same time. So we've got the ladybird to paint, we've got the stem to paint, we've got the bud to paint, and even kind of graduated background wash. So come and join me on Patreon and let's make a start. And then stippling again, right to the edge, leaving the black in between, don't try and fill it all in. Just want to show you this one first, and also stop around here, probably gone a bit too far already, because it's going to be really dark underneath there. Now to the edge of the leg, the other side, I've got to do exactly the same thing again, but very thin. So it's only a thin line.